Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So this is such a last minute video, and if you're anything like me, you are a last minute shopper. So today I'm sharing with you guys what all I have purchased during the Sephora sale and anything that I could recommend that I have newly tried. That way you can grab it before the end of the day. So let's go ahead and get into it. So if you saw my last video, you knew that I was going to pick up these amika products. I got the clarifying gel shampoo, I got the pink charcoal scalp cleansing oil, and I picked up the soul food nourishing mask. So I have done a wash day with these, and so far I really liked the pink charcoal scalp cleansing oil and this mask. I'm still not sure how I feel about the clarifying shampoo. I feel like it stripped my hair and I wasn't really a big fan of that, and it just doesn't compare to the 𝐻𝐴 gel clarifying shampoo. So I don't know, we'll try this out a couple more times, but I'm on the fence about it. And of course I did pick up the K18 molecular repair hair oil. Y'all knew I was gonna get this. I haven't had a chance to try it yet, but soon enough. I did re-up on my Bon Dia Bright Clarifying AHA BHA body wash from Sol de Janeiro. I just really love the scent, and I just really feel like it's not badly priced, but if I'm gonna stock up on it, I might as well do it when I can get 20% off. So this is officially back in the stash. I did decide to get another one of these scalp serums from Necessaire. Now, I did say this was overpriced and I don't really know if it's worth it, but my hair is so thick at the roots right now that I kind of feel like it's working. So I'm going to use it on a regular basis and see if it really does work and really let y'all know if it is worth the money. So stay tuned. And for makeup, I picked up the Huda Creamy Cool eyeliner in black. Have it in brown, so I did pick it up in black. This is what I'm really excited about. I haven't even opened this. This is the Haus Labs Color Fuse Blush. Oh, the color is Pomelo Peach. Oh, kind of like beach. I love this packaging. Like, look at how stunning this is, and look at this color. Oh, it doesn't really show that well on camera, but it's brighter than it looks on the camera. It's like a peach, obviously. So I picked that up, and the only fragrance that I purchased was the Skylar Clean Beauty Lime Sands. I haven't worn it, but I did like smell it because this was a blind buy, and I love this. It smells like Lime Beach. Like, it's so literal. I'm probably gonna wear it today because I'm excited about it. So that is all that I have ordered. I prefer ordering because there's not really a good Sephora anywhere close to me. So I do have a few more items that are supposed to be here tomorrow, and then I have some more items that haven't shipped. So I'm just gonna wait and collectively do that video, but I did want to share with y'all some of the things I have purchased. But wait, there's more. So the best Sephora around me is actually inside of Kohl's, and so there are a few things that I just really wanted to get in stores. So these are more so body care and a couple of like makeup type products. So because I used this last night, it's already open, but I did go ahead and re-up on the Youth to the People Kale Green Tea and Spinach Vitamins Cleanser. I feel like everybody talks about this. I have loved this cleanser for years at this point, and I wasn't gonna repurchase it because I said I just bought that Naturium, but it's just so good that I was like, girl, go ahead, get it. I picked up this Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I haven't opened this because I'm on the fence if I'm going to keep it. Honestly, I really like the packaging. I'm sure you've seen it, and I got it in shade 4, which is the deepest, and it looked good in the store. I just don't know if I really need this. Leave it in the comments if you think I should return it or if I should keep it, and I'll do whatever you guys say. I don't know how this ended up in here, but I ordered the K-Skin Deep Moisture Deep Water Nourishing Lip Mask. I meant to use this last night, but I couldn't find it, and probably because it was in this bag. It says apply evenly to clean lips in the morning and at night. So I'm not gonna do that right now. We'll come back and we will try that out. I picked up the Moroccan Oil Blonde Perfecting Purple Shampoo. It is time for me to use a purple shampoo on my hair because it's getting a little bronzy. If you saw my last video, I used the 𝐻rysaness and I was not a fan of it. And so one of my favorite subscribers here suggested this one to me. And so I'm going to try this out. I'm probably not going to do a video on it, but if it don't work, you will know that. But I'm pretty sure it will. I picked up the Super Clay Purify Clear Power Mask from Youth to the People. I know. But I really want to do like an at-home facial. And I just really figured that I needed a clay mask in order to do that, because I'm going to do it with my steamer. And so that is the only reason I can justify buying this. Yet again, haven't even opened it, but I'm going to try it out tonight, tomorrow, sometime this week. And last but not least, this product I was absolutely influenced to buy, and I'm so glad that I did. It is the Whey body cream, and it's the St. Bart's. Y'all, this smells so good. So you know, like, I used to really rave about Kiehl's body cream because I really like the scent. This is like a cousin, in my opinion, to that one, but the texture is just so like whipped and creamy. Look at, oh, can you tell? I don't really know if the camera's picking it up, but I like it. I love it. I thought they had a body wash, but I didn't see it at my Sephora. Like, I need another body wash, but I really like this, and probably will be adding this to like one of my faves as far as body creams. So real quick, I just wanted to share with y'all what I was buying, because this Sephora sale has really had a hold on me, and I'm really glad that today is the last day. Comment down below and let me know if you have shopped and what are some of your favorite purchases thus far. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely check back and see what else I got, because there's more. Not a lot more, but there is more coming. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.